As a WISP operator, what would it mean to you if you were able to save money when performing customer installations, increase overall installation efficiency, or even avoid unnecessary truck rolls altogether? cnHeat is Cambium Networks' next generation RF planning tool, and it is designed to do just that. But hold on, how does it do this? cnHeat uses highly accurate 1 meter GIS data, and this GIS data accurately represents the Earth and the clutter on top of the Earth, including things like buildings and trees. So what does cnHeat do? cnHeat takes site information that you can plug in, and we provide a heat map that lays on top of a representation of the Earth, so that you can see exactly where the coverage is and where the coverage is not on any spot in the area of the site. So what's the value of this? An end customer can call you up and say, "Hey, I'd like some service." And within a minute, an untrained customer service rep can tell them, "Yes, you can have service," or "No, you can't have service," and be very confident of their answer. This not only provides a highly satisfied end customer, but also saves a potentially wasted truck roll. And because cnHeat allows you to plan out RF installations in advance, your techs will know exactly where the place of installation should be for maximum signal. The benefit of this is decreased cost to the overall business for installation, and also the ability to install many more customers in a period of time, providing more revenue to your business. If you'd like to find out more about cnHeat, click the link in the description, or go to the product page where it will describe the tool in more detail. Or you could visit the community, where we have our own staff on call to help answer your questions. Would you like to see more helpful content like this? Let us know in the comments below.